So
Hey,
this.
Chewy, here's our conduit you wanted for your electrical project.
So here's your ATS, and here's your ATS screen. It's a Decision Maker Impact 1500. Right now it's in system ready mode. If there was an issue, it wouldn't say system ready. This indication light right here lets you know that you have normal source power. This indication light right here lets you know which source you're on.
Okay.
Green side is normal power. These will show up red. The LEDs will show up red. So if you have emergency power, that will show up red. And then if you're on emergency source, that will show up red. You can have normal source and emergency source, but you can't be on both at the same time.
Right.
So
Right.
if you see both, there's an issue
Yeah.
on this part. So down here, you can kind of see already normal source, the voltage that you're getting from, PG&E. It's PG&E up here.
Yeah.
So you're getting that emergency is at 0 because the generator's not running. As soon as the generator is running, you'll see the red light here, and then you'll see the voltage output from the generator. You can click down. Down right here will give you all the different leg to leg voltages on the normal source at 60 hertz. You can hit down one more. That's your ground to leg, or your leg to ground. And then you hit down.
Wait, could you go back to that one?
Yeah.
There's quite a bit of disparity on.
That's PG&E side.
Yeah, this is okay, but that's
Pretty high.
Yeah, it is pretty
On the
high.
third leg.
I mean, that's got nothing to do with this. That's from
The legs coming in.
in from PG&E.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's normal source side.
All right. Well.
And then this
Good old
is my
PG&E.
and then one more down, that'll be the emergency side. This is the generator side. So your voltages will show here, your hertz, and then one more down. Again, it'll be the same, but on emergency side, of course, all of
Okay.
it's 0 because we're not running it. That's your amperage on how many amps. As long as I believe,
James.
I don't know if you guys, as long as this one's set up with the amperage reading rings, then it will show here. If you guys don't have that set up, then it'll just say 0. Again, it's whatever you want to add.
Those things are those current those current.
Yeah, they
sensors
would
are
be
inside.
inside. They're little black
Yeah.
rings.
Yeah. They're wrapped around the conductor.
Yeah. Your date and time.
Well, that one's right.
Yeah, that one is correct.
Yeah.
So back to here. So you're not going to really mess with anything under the set because that's going to be all the settings information. You were more interested in on starting the generator from here. So to do that, you're going to go into test mode. The password is 0000.
Can you go back again, please?
Yeah. 1 second.
Okay.
There we go.
System ready. So we'll go to
To test.
Test.
Password is going to be 00000.
So you go between those two middle.
Yeah.
Two. Okay.
So up, over, up, over, up, over. And then if you hit over, it'll just clear everything. So you want it you don't want to hit over on the last one. You want to hit OK. And then right here is going to be your type of test. So to manually do it, you just hit down. And then this will be the loaded test like you were talking about to do a transfer.
Full.
But if you hit down one more, that's the
Okay.
unloaded.
All right.
Now, this type of test right here, the generator will start and run, and it won't stop until you stop it.
Oh, okay. So
So-
it doesn't shut off automatically.
No.
Oh, okay.
So you can hit start. Boom, the generator starts and runs. You get your red indication saying emergency power is available.
Okay.
Your emergency voltage from the generator side. And this is how it'll show. And then, okay, I ran it for however long you wanted. I'm happy.
Usually, BAA, QMD, they're sticklers. They want us to run these things minimally. So Usually about 5, maybe 10 minutes.
Okay. Probably to do the air quality control. How much
Yeah, you
run
got to
time.
keep it under a certain hours, you know, if you don't have to run it during an emergency situation. But for just for testing, they want us to do it minimally.
Okay.
Right.
So say you meet your time requirement, and then you just hit end test, and the generator will shut down, and you can see the voltages dropping.
Okay.
Boom, an emergency source, and boom, you're back to system ready.
Okay.
So now say you wanted to do the transfer one.
Okay.
You would do the exact same way, but you would do that loaded test.
Mm-hmm.
And then again, it would transfer and it would run as long as you wanted until you wanted to transfer
so
back.
you have to manually, so it doesn't time
There,
out.
I was gonna show you. There is one where it's a timer, and it's right here, but it's auto loaded, so it's a loaded test, and it's for 30 minutes. And then you hit start, and it would run 30 minutes, and then shut down after 30 minutes.
Is that set up in there?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just comes that way. This
It's
controller.
a default.
Yeah.
In the controller.
And the
Okay,
controller.
so say
So you could change it right here.
no, leave that. But I mean, so it does come on or it doesn't come on? I mean, say.
Oh, you mean for like the exercise portion that you're talking
once
about?
a week that you were
Oh,
mentioning.
okay. Yeah, that's not that.
That-
I can set that up right now if you would like.
Okay.
Since we're here.
After the or
'Cause it'll